Welcome everyone. And today I'm just going to show you where your interior fuse box is for your 2007 to 2007 or 2013 Chevy Silverado. So your interior fuse box is right in here. So you just pop it out, like that, and it's right there. And this is what's in here. All right. Looks like your rear wiper, which just does not have one, but there's some locks and stuff like that in here, okay? And some mirrors, power mirrors and stuff. All right. And it looks like down here you have your little prongs. Those are to help you pull the fuses out. Right here. Put down. Right there. And here's some extra fuses for you. Okay. All right. And to put your cover back on, you just line these clips up. Show you. So see your clip right there. So you just line them back up. See right there. And you just push it back in. Just like that. Alright? So that's your interior fuse box. Thanks for watching. So now your fuse box for your under your hood is there's your motor, there's your master cylinder, right, for your brakes, and your fuse box is right here. So you just lift this out, it pops out. You should be able to do it by hand. Here's your fuse box. This has lots of stuff like your engine, your transmission, a whole bunch of relays and stuff. Okay, and here you go. And if you need to get in here, this is where it is. This is the location of your fuse box that's under the hood. Just push back on like that. Okay. And it's just outside your driver's side fender. Okay, it's just on the inside of your driver's side fender. If you're looking for it, that's your location. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're in need of more videos like this. Okay? Thanks for watching.